Namaste. In the previous episode, we saw how Duryodhan got disturbed upon looking at the Pandav army and approached his guru Dronacharya. But instead of expressing his fears, he spoke in an arrogant manner which was extremely disrespectful and inappropriate. Intimidated by the opposition, he described the Pandav army as mighty and their chief commander as brilliant. To find out what else Duryodhan said about the Pandav army, we will now read verses 4, 5 and 6. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. In these verses, Duryodhan listed the names of 17 great warriors from the Pandav army like Yuyudhana, Drupada, Drishtaketu, Chekitan, etc. We are not going to mention all the names nor get into the details of each of those personalities as that information is not necessary. All we need to know is that the names that Duryodhan called out included many brave kings, most of whom were also related to the Pandavas in some way or the other. Along with them, Duryodhan also mentioned some of the sons of the Pandavas. The interesting thing here is the way in which Duryodhan described these warriors. He said they were completely fearless and extremely good at archery, meaning they were courageous as well as competent. Then he went on to compare their strength to Bhim, who was the strongest on the Pandav side, and their skill to that of Arjun, who was the best archer of all times. As if this was not enough, he also referred to all of them as Maharathis, meaning someone who is an expert in using weapons and in the science of warfare, the one who leads a battalion of 11,000 men and can single-handedly fight thousands of archers simultaneously. So, as per Duryodhan, these warriors of the Pandav army had the combination of courage, competence, strength, skill and expertise in warfare, which together made them exceptional. The presence of such great warriors is another reason why Duryodhan thought that the Pandav army was so mighty and got intimidated by them. With this, we have seen that Duryodhan called out a long list of Pandav warriors and elaborately described their greatness. But what did Duryodhan have to say about his own army? We will see in the next episode. Thank you.